Hey, good morning, guys. It is Coffee and Morning with John. This morning we got something exciting for you guys. We are going to be unboxing some Funkos. Gotta be saying that right. Gotta be saying that right? Maybe somebody will comment below if I'm not. So let's see what we have here. I am excited. Okay, so we got a box inside a box. 6 pieces per case. Okay, so we got 6 of them. Sounds about right. I actually just started getting into these. This is pretty neat, like all these characters, and they're just like something else. Like, I mean, some of them are worth something, some of them aren't, but they're all pretty cool. Okay, so the first one we have, just unboxing, is Space Jam LeBron James. Huh. Oh, he's got the white basketball. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. And then, what else we got? This is from Disney. Jack Skellington. That's cool. I remember watching that growing up as a kid. Huh. Sally Sewing. Okay, we got another LeBron James for the Lakers. White jersey. That's cool. And then, now this is the one I've been waiting for. This is like the most exciting to me. John Wick with the dog. As you see, I'm a big dog person. I have a pit bull, emotional support dog named North, and he is awesome. So, like, to me, like, I'm John, this is John Wick. Just saying, we're both badasses. It is what it is. Got both cool dogs. Yeah. Oh, and you can't see it from looking directly at it, but you can see this little gun he's got. That's cool. Anyways, I just thought I'd share this unboxing with you guys. I appreciate it.